Hey, if you already have a PlayStation, then you have a great way to make it even more fun with this Nova Pink Sony PlayStation DualSense wireless controller. Your daughter will be happy. A second controller adds more fun not only for kids, but also for parents, because now they can play together. If you're familiar with the PS5, then this controller is exactly the same as the standard DualSense controller, just in a different color. The only disappointing part is that for this price you don't get any extra accessories. There isn't even a USB-C charging cable included in the box. To charge the controller, you'll need to use your own USB-C cable and a USB power adapter, for example, phone charger. The charging status is indicated by the lights around the touchpad. However, this accessory's drawback is easy to forget when kids start playing together as a team. By the way, if you know any fun co-op games for children on the PS5, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments. I'm still fairly new to the console world.